Hello. Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Sorry, good morning, everybody. So I'm really sorry we could not continue as we started. We had some network issues, but that has been fixed now. So I'd like us to start off our analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. We are having a very good support here. We have a support here. We have a support here. And we have a support here. So as it is right now, we are either waiting for a buy from around this green zone, or a buy here, or a buy here, or we may wait and sell when the price hits this zone, or this zone here, or this zone here. So that's what we are looking for, either a buy, or a buy here. The next chart which I want us to have a look at, the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, so far we were in a very good range. You can see the entire zone, this one here and here. This is a very good range. We have a very good support, we have a very good resistance. If the price can move down and touch 28,982.80, this should give us a very good place to look for a buy from. If the price goes up and touches 29,824.98, then this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So we either wait and sell it here, or we can wait and buy it here. Those are the only two places that are significant as we are talking right now. The other chart is GBP USD. With GBP USD, so far the price is heading to the upper side. We have a very good zone here, a support zone and a buy place. We have, so this is now a support zone, even though it was a supply zone. We have another supply zone, we have another one, and we have another one here. Then we have a demand zone, we have another one, and we have another one here. So those are the places we're looking at. We're looking at either this, or this one, or this one. Yeah, those are the places where if the price can go up to, then we are going to be interested in trades. The other chart we have is, this is USD/JPY. So this chart is upwards. We are looking at a possible continuation to the upper side. We had a very good bullish break of structure here. We had another one here. We had another one here. We had another one here. And we expect that if the price can break and close above this line, this will be another bullish break of structure, and it could mean that the price is continuing to the upper side if the price ascends above it. So we want to see what happens from around this area. If the price goes above it and it traces back towards it, then that will give us a good place to look for a buy from. So that's my opinion. The other chart I want us to have a look at, I want us to look at the Brent oil. With Brent oil, so far we already have our zones drawn. We have the first one here, we have another one, we have another one, we have a support here, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So technically speaking, we are going to sell from this red zone, or this red zone, or this red zone, or we may wait and buy around this green zone, or wait and buy here, or wait and buy here, or wait and buy when the price hits the lower one. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is the SP500. So with the SP500, so far the price is temporarily in a downtrend. We had a bearish break of structure here, we had another one here, we had another one, we had another one, and we've had another one just in the recent past, this one here. So we expect that if the price does not break below this green zone, this should be a good place to look for a buy from, and this should be a good place to look for a buy from. This right here should be a very good place to look for a buy from. So that's my opinion on the SP500. The other chart is gold. With gold, so far we are in a very good downtrend. We are in a very good downtrend. We've had a bearish break of structure here. We had another one. We had another one, and we expect that we expect that if the price can descend below these two lines, the lines which I've just drawn now, then that will be a very good indication that the price is now continuing to the lower side. So we are supposed to be focusing on sell orders, expecting that the sellers will push us even lower. So that's my opinion on the SP500. So I hope that makes some sense. With gold, so far we are in a very good downtrend. Is the last that is supposed to look at today. Very good downtrend. Let's see if there is another chart which I have which looks good. I want us to look at, and we expect. I want us to look at also that if the price can descend below these two lines, the lines which I've just drawn now, then that will be a very good indication that the price is now. So with silver also we are looking at a downtrend. You can see that we've had several bearish breakout structures. We had this one, this one, this one, and this one here. So as we're speaking right now, the price is heading downwards. We are looking for a downtrend. We want to see a clear breakout and a close below 22.164 or 22.091. If the price descends and closes below these two lines, then that will be a good indication that the price is continuing to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. If the price descends and closes below these two lines, then that will be a good indication that the price is continuing to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. If the price descends and closes below these two lines, then that will be a good indication that the price is continuing to the lower side. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you. If the price descends and closes below these two lines,